Well, a couple of things about nature videos and wildlife photography is that, well, you've always are in nature and there's always wildlife. The spontaneity of it all is a lot of fun. So I've taken to keeping my camera bag in the car with me. It's always opportunities that pop up. Came out here to the dam at Elk City Lake. It was a windy day, so I pulled over. Thought I'd maybe get a couple of pictures of the coastline.
Come out here to Elk City Lake. The Elk River Trail comes up along through here, and this is one of my favorite places in the area to come take pictures and video. It's a windy day today. There was a severe storm passed through last night. A tornado touched down in a little town of Fredonia, which is about, oh, maybe 12, 15 miles west of where I live. A cloudy day, and you can see the cloud, and it makes for a real hazy view across the lake. So I thought I would come and see if I can't get some compositions here. I'm using my Tamron 18-300 zoom so I can get a few different compositions to a few different angles. So let me try this and see how it turns out, and see what we got. You know, we got this area over here, this inlet, and sort of a peninsula there. Some interesting rocks out here that I'm going to try to see what I can do with that. The thing I like about this lens, it's an 18-300 zoom. It's made for APS-C. It has an aperture of 3.5 to 6.3, and you can get some interesting compositions. Let's see what I can do with this. Dark. Yeah.
I didn't find this as inspiring as I thought it might be, so I decided to go to the other side of the dam and to see what would be there.
Well, let's go on over here, see what else we can find. So I came down to the other end of the dam, and I like this shoreline over here a whole lot better. It's more picturesque. There's a lot of buzzards. And today it seems like they're flying in formation. This almost looks like the Big Dipper.
Are you coming home soon? I can feel the rain start to fall. Are you still running down those side streets with them alley cats and barking dogs?
I did like this side of the lake a whole lot better. I like the rugged look of the coastline and the way the water was lapping up on the rocks there.
Glass in the dark. Try to bury all those memories. You light the match and watch the whole world burn.
The buzzards were breaking off in pairs. I was hoping that they would fly down low enough that I could get them with the trees as sort of a background. That's the challenge that you have, to get wildlife to pose for you in the ways that you want it to be. And I guess the answer is just having patience. So I sat and waited.
Was all there for you.
I'd like to see one and get a little bit better shot. Let's see what we got over here.
Man, I can see the unrest while you're starting from the back.
The buzzard suddenly swept down low, and this was my favorite shot.
See the loss of innocence, like an explosion frozen in time. Now you're wishing to the good Lord He could take you back before you cross that line.
Let's go on into the park and see what we can get in there. This field out here is full of a bird called a common grackle. And this old boy here, he's eating, but I think he's taking some offense at me calling him common. He's giving me the look. Now he's going to give me the eye. We had a major storm Monday, and this is the lake. I'm usually, if you see those trees down there in the distance, that's where I'm usually at. I go down there and take pictures of the lake. Now the lake has come to us. Over here, that's one of the holes for the disc golf course that's here. Had major flooding through the area, you can tell. So what I've done is I've just come out here and sat. Had a great opportunity to take some pictures, some birds that I don't have the opportunity to get pictures of very often. So this has been a great time just to sit here by the lake and be still.
I'm learning, as I just said, and be still, get some good opportunities for some unique shots. Like this pair of brown thrush who are making their nest. So you can still find great beauty even in the middle of the storm. And though the flooding was all through the lake, there was some wonderful photo opportunities. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, subscribe if you would. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path, and God bless you.